Hey everybody, Chris Lopez here, coming to you live from my house. That's right, coming to you from my house. It's been a while, so I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to teach you a trick. It's called the Vanishing Quarter trick. It's a lot of fun, so let's get to it. Just to let you know that this video is being made in collaboration with the County of San Luis Obispo Public Libraries, and it's being sponsored by the Foundation for the San Luis Obispo Public Libraries. So thank you so much for this foundation for sponsoring these shows, and I get to teach you magic. And also, the trick that I'm going to show you comes from the Mark Wilson Complete Course in Magic. It's a great book. This book has so much in it: cards, coins, ropes, silks, things you can do with everyday objects. So it's so much fun. So I'm teaching you some tricks that you can do at home with some everyday objects. You can do this with a napkin, a salt shaker or pepper shaker, and a quarter. Yeah, things you find at home. So here's how it works here's how the trick goes. You take a quarter, and we'll take it and we'll wrap this around. We'll wrap the napkin around the pepper shaker like so. We're going to cause the quarter to disappear, all right? Here's the thing. We're going to cover it up just like that, all right? Because you can't see how the magic works. There we go. Okay, all right. And we have to say the magic words. Simsalabim. Go! And it didn't work. Okay, let me try this again. Okay. Simsalabim. Still didn't go. Okay. I need help. I need some magic words. What magic word should I use? Abracadabra? Okay, we can use abracadabra. Okay, what? Huh? Oh, hocus pocus? Okay, we can use hocus pocus. Okay, what do I use? Oh, I use this magic word. Check this out. Watch. Chris Lopez. Chris Lopez. Say it with me. Chris Lopez. It didn't go. Okay. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's do abracadabra. That's the first one I heard. Let's do abracadabra. Okay, ready? Here we go. Abracadabra. Wait. What? Wait a minute. That wasn't. Hang on 1 second. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. This is in page. Let me see. Hang on. Give me 1 second. Hang on. Use the magic words. Hocus pocus. Oh, that's what we did. Okay, that's what I did wrong. Hocus pocus to make the quarter disappear. Abracadabra was for the pepper shaker. That's right. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to teach you the vanishing pepper shaker trick. Ta-da! Okay, so it's real easy. The pepper shaker is right here. So what you do is you take a quarter, you take a pepper shaker, and you take a napkin. Now you can do this anywhere. You can do this at home. You can do this at a restaurant when the restaurants open up. You can do this there if they have a pepper shaker or salt shaker. You can do this at a friend's house. You can do it for family members. Anywhere. This is something you can do anywhere. So I hope you like it. What you do is you take a napkin and you want to place it around the pepper shaker. Now, you don't want to do it too tight, but you want to do it tight enough to where it keeps its shape, okay? And then you just smush down the top like that. So this is what you want. You want kind of like a shell, you see? So that way this pepper shaker kind of falls out, okay? That's what you want. The quarter, it's not really going to vanish, all right? We just say that, but it's not really going to vanish, but you use that as an excuse to cover the pepper shaker and to cover the quarter. And then you can make up your magic words. You could say simsalabim or alakazam or yabba dabba doo, whatever you want, all right? But after you do so, you're gonna tap. It's not gonna work. You're gonna lift the pepper shaker and the napkin up and back, okay? So it's back. So you're just doing like an arch, okay? That's all you're doing, just an arch back. And you're coming to the edge of the table, and you wanna do that. It's important you do that because you'll see why in a second. But you notice that the quarter didn't vanish. So you go, uh-oh, let me try again. So you do it again. Alakazam. It didn't work. Okay. Now you ask someone for their magic word. It could be anything. Okay. It could be any word you want. Anything you want to use. You could use your name. You can use abracadabra. You could use yabba dabba doo. You could use akuna matata. Anything you want. All right. But you try it again. It doesn't work. So now what you're going to do is you're going to bring it back, just like you did before, the first 3 times. You bring it back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to release. You're going to release your hand just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit like that. You're going to release, because then that causes the pepper shaker to fall out. Yeah. So when you're here, you're going to release. Okay, so let's say this is the edge. You're going to release right there at the edge, and it's going to fall in your lap. Keep your knees closed, because then it falls right into your lap, the pepper shaker. So when you come back, it falls. Just like that. It falls. See? Okay, so it falls right here into your lap. Nobody sees that. You're looking at the quarter. If you're looking at the quarter, everyone else is looking at the quarter. So you look there. You say, it didn't work. Let me try it again. All you're doing is placing the empty napkin right there. Now don't do this. Don't go like that. No. Just place it right back over the quarter, just as you did before. Then you use their magic words. Okay? Akuna Matata. Whoa. And it vanished. And you showed that the salt shaker or pepper shaker has vanished. Quarter's still there. They can inspect everything. They can check everything. It's all normal. And it's gone. So, try this at home. Try it at a friend's house. Try it at a restaurant. But practice, practice, practice. And also, don't forget, stay safe. All right. Till next time, this is Chris Lopez saying